Good afternoon, everybody. It's Angela and David from Wyllie's Travel Adventures. We've just come down to Manchester Trafford Centre with Hayley and Esby as well. We're just stopping at the Travelodge.
Hello!
And so we're going to check in and then go for a walk and get our bearings, because we're going to the Jurassic Exhibition tomorrow, which should be good. So yeah, we'll do a room tour. We're slumming it in the Travelodge today, so I'll do a room tour when we get up there. See you shortly. So we've just arrived at the Travelodge, all checked in. We're in room 205 on the second floor. Hayley and Esme are on the first floor. So we'll have a look around the room. Hello.
Hello.
So we've booked a double room. Oh, it's big. Big room.
Bigger.
Big room. So we have a bed. Typical Travelodge colours and things. Nice big. So it looks as though something has been in this end, because there's nothing here. It would have been good if they'd had like a settee or chair or something.
Something in that corner.
Yeah, yeah.
And there's a wee round mark.
Your fingers.
Something over there.
Yeah, so we're on the roundabout. This is our view.
It's the bridge you go over to go to the airport.
Yeah. So we've no idea where all the places are to eat and stuff, but we're going to have a wander about later once we get sorted out. So let's see what there is. Like a kettle, 2 cups and some tea, if there's anything, coffee, something. Yeah. And then we've got a wardrobe here with spare pillows and things and hangers. Plenty of storage. There's a mirror to have a look at yourself in. So we put the light on in the bathroom.
Sorry.
And this is the bathroom. Got the normal toilet, sink, and a bath. And the shower is over the bath. So there you have it, typical Travelodge room, very basic, but that's all you need for a night's stay. And there we have it. So I don't know what's going to happen next. Whether we get changed now and go and look for where we're heading tomorrow, because we need to find somewhere for breakfast as well in the morning. So we'll see you all later when we go out for a tatter about.